If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2015 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Colorado Red. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black side roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, power 8-way driver's seat and manual 4-way pass, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 66,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, 40-20-40 rear seat with trunk pass-through, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5589A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.